Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through a website or an app and seen those eye-catching animated text effects and wondered, how do I make that in Figma? Today's your lucky day. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to recreate some seriously amazing text animations using nothing but Figma. By the end, you'll not only know how to make your typography pop, but you'll also pick up some slick prototyping tricks that'll impress anyone who sees your designs. So let's jump right in. Alright, to kick things off, I've got a text layer already on the canvas. You can pick any word or phrase you like, maybe your project's name or just something simple like hello world. The important thing is that you have a piece of text to experiment with. Now we're going to spice things up by turning that text upside down. Just select your text, head to the rotation handle at the top and rotate it 180 degrees. This is already a cool effect and it's going to lay the groundwork for our animation. Think of this kind of like flipping a card. It's dynamic and it immediately catches attention. Next, with your text still selected, let's group it. You can just right-click and choose Group, or use the shortcut Command or Control+G. Grouping helps keep things tidy, especially as we start duplicating and layering elements. Immediately after that, wrap your grouped element in a frame. This is as simple as selecting the group and hitting Option or Alt+Command+G, so now your text group is snug inside a frame. Frames are like the picture frames of Figma. They help you manage space and, more importantly, enable cool effects like clipping. Now let's make a copy of that frame. This is our second text element, which you can just drag next to the first or stack right on top. Click on the frame, copy it and paste. Don't forget this important bit. Make sure Clip Content is turned on in the Properties panel. This way, anything that sticks out beyond the edges of the frame gets hidden, which is essential for smooth-looking animations. Think of it like putting your artwork behind a window. Anything outside the window gets masked out. Time to work some Figma magic. Go ahead and select both text frames, then turn them into a component set by clicking the Create Component Set button or using the shortcut. This step is what lets us swap between the two states in our animation. It's like setting the stage for a play, preparing all the actors before the show begins. With your component set ready, enter the Prototype tab. Click on the first text state, then drag the prototype arrow to the second. In the interaction settings, set the trigger to after delay and choose something really short like 1 millisecond. This ensures your animation starts right away without requiring a click. Then under Animation, choose Smart Animate, set the easing to gentle and duration to 500 milliseconds. This gives us that gorgeous smooth transition, not too fast, not too slow. Now we're going to do the same in reverse. Select the second text state and connect its prototype arrow back to the first one. Again, set an after delay of 1 millisecond and repeat the Smart Animate with a gentle 500 ms transition. This creates a seamless loop, so your animation can flip back and forth as many times as you like. Once your components are all set, head over to the Asset panel. Drag your shiny new animated component into your main frame. Click on the frame and then hit Present or Preview at the top right. Now's the moment of truth. You'll see your text gracefully animate, flipping with that professional polish you see in high-end design systems. And there you have it, you've just recreated an amazing text animation inside Figma. Pretty cool, right? If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more hands-on design tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.